My name's Donald Grinke. I work for Travis Resmondo Sod. Been here 22 years. We are sod farmers and installers. We're pretty much turnkey. We do anything from residential homes, we do track homes, we do retention ponds, big commercial jobs. Anything that needs grass on it, we can get it down. We usually use all JCB. That's our main piece of equipment we use. We've been with them 4 years. Every December we buy 14 new pieces of equipment from them, and they take all our old ones. And we kind of rely on JCB to crank up every day and get the job started. And they're always reliable for us. We have a JCB 407, it's the articulating wheel loader, and it has forks on them. And we can unload trucks, semis, goosenecks, anything that's under around 6,000 pounds. It travels through dirt pretty easy, it doesn't get stuck. It's got enough ground clearance to go over anything that you normally see on a job site. It works out pretty good all the way around. If we had a piece of equipment that wasn't reliable, it'd kind of mess up the whole day for a crew. We do all our own maintenance. What's nice about the JCB, it's pretty easy to maintain if you want to do it yourself. We do use LiveLink, and it helps send out a drop pin of where the forklift is at to our delivery drivers. So we can leave a forklift on scene. You can't get a hold of your crew to find out where they left it at. And then you just go on LiveLink, pull up the map and send a screenshot or a drop pin of where it's located. It gives you messages of problems that's oncoming before they happen. You need to change a fuel filter or something. You can fix it before the actual forklift goes down. It's easier to keep up with your maintenance intervals too with that. It kind of alerts you whenever you're encroaching on your time. For somebody in the market doing some type of landscape job or grading, moving dirt around, anything like the JCB's all around a good machine.